Hi, this is John from Sinch, here with another It's a Sinch quick instructional video. In today's episode, we'll show you how Sinch Contact Pro, Sinch's omnichannel cloud-based contact center solution, provides contact center agents with a complete overview of all customer communications, phone, email, chat, video, and messaging apps, all in one central place. On the left side of the screen, we see an image of a customer's phone. The customer is navigated to a sample web page that provides various options for contacting the company's customer support organization, such as phone, email, web chat, SMS, Facebook Messenger, and so on. The customer is currently at the airport and it's too noisy for a phone call, so he decides to use web chat. He enters his name and email address and clicks Start Chat. He immediately receives an automated prompt letting him know that all agents are currently busy, but that someone will be able to assist him momentarily. On the right-hand side of the screen, we see the Sinch Contact Pro communication panel, the agent-facing user interface that contact center reps use to handle customer interactions. Our agent has just returned to her workstation after a break and switches her present status back to available. She's immediately offered the incoming chat and clicks Accept to begin chatting with the customer. In order to save time and improve efficiency, the system has been configured to automatically propose an initial chat greeting to the customer using a reply template. The reply template includes a placeholder for customer name, which is automatically filled at runtime with the customer's name. The agent can modify the proposed greeting if desired, or just click Send to send the proposed greeting as is. Alternatively, the initial greeting could be fully automated. The agent can also manually choose any of the other predefined reply templates by clicking the reply template icon and then selecting the desired reply template. In our example, the customer mentions that he is following up on an email he sent over the weekend, but he hasn't received a reply yet. The agent apologizes to the customer and clicks the conversation history icon to view a list of all of his customer's conversations. Looking at the conversation history, the agent sees all the previously handled phone calls, emails, video chats, web chats, SMS, and messaging app conversations associated with this particular customer, as well as any related call scripts or call recordings. The agent also sees the new email from the customer, which is still sitting unprocessed in the queue. If desired, the agent can drag the slider and resize the conversation history to view even more information. The agent clicks on the email to select it, and then clicks Pick to begin processing the email. In this case, since she is already chatting with the customer via web chat, the agent decides not to reply to the email, but instead simply marks the email as handled. The agent finishes her conversation with the customer and then ends the chat and enters any necessary follow-up information. After she's done dispositioning the chat, the agent is ready to receive another customer conversation. Wow, that was a cinch. Thanks for watching and see you again next time. Bye.